Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to use gets command in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h for input output in every C program. Std means standard, io means input output, h for header. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin, car, user underscore name, we have 100 characters. Printf, new line here, the title. Printf \t gets command in C, new line, give your complete name, gets user underscore name. If you ask me, what is the purpose of gets command? Get stands for get string. So example, your name is Joseph Tan. Joseph space Tan, it will be accept, because if you are using scanf, it will only accept the first name, that is Joseph. The family name of Tan, because it is separated with a white space, will be ignored. That's it, no? Printf new line, hello, %s, nice to meet you, comma, username. New line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then new line here, and then the right curly bracket. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our dev C++ IDE, no? So compile and run. Gets command in C, give your complete name, Lydia Rodriguez, Pomperada. So hello, Lydia Rodriguez, Pomperada, nice to meet you, end of program. As you can see, even though the first name Lydia and then Rodriguez is separated, space Pomperada, it will be accepted, and then it will display end of program. Another example, let us compile and run. List my father's name, Virgilio Valencia Pomperada. Hello, Virgilio Valencia Pomperada, nice to meet you, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare and use gets command in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.